Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we will be showing you the world's most incredible tractors that could clear forest land in no time at all. But before moving to the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. The roller chopper is designed to roll down and cut brush and trees up to around 3 inches in diameter. It will also break down some shallow roots. These are big, but they can easily be pulled up with a prime mover, usually a skidder. The drum can be loaded with extra weight water. Multi-drum versions have 2 additional blades on the rear drum to avoid tracking. These arrangements are recommended for the cutting and killing of light to medium growth. Preparation of the site has never been so straightforward. The MERICRUSHER Forest Mulcher and Subsoiler MJHS311STX is clearing new farmland. The subsoiling is performed 30 to 40 centimeters below the ground, and all the organic material would be crushed in this soil layer. The mulcher for finely screened material projects is suitable for medium and large tractors of up to 750 horsepower with the new crushing technology. With multiple rotor choices and a revolving screen, the MERICRUSHER MJHS mulcher gives outstanding results in all conditions. The MAXISOIL 350 is one of the largest tiller and stone crushers in the world, alongside the Claas Xerion 5000. It is suitable for tractors with a power class of between 300 and 500 horsepower. The revolutionary rotor has an optimized combination of modern Super AXTM tools with additional tungsten carbide inserts in higher wear exposure areas. The RANCHWORX Tandem Drum Aerator is designed for agricultural aeration and land management from the ground up. Using RANCHTEC blades, a heavy-duty steel structure, and triangulated tongue, its capabilities range from full subsoil fracture strength to brush clearing and land management applications. With its varied drum offset, the Tandem can switch from a no-till to a tillage machine, depending on what is required. The MAGNUM 140 trailing bedding plow is a heavy-duty 4-disc device capable of building a vast, well-formed bed, perfect for poorly drained soils during high rainy seasons. It enhances moisture retention and herbal control by using the patented Stump Jump TM disc relief technology. The discs adjust in minutes, and its bearings can be replaced in minutes. Superior tillage with easy maintenance. No other offset disc on the market can deliver. The BRACKE T28 is a robust, versatile disc trencher that can tilt the discs to lead the hummus in the same direction, either left or right, or closer or farther away from each other. It can withstand the most challenging terrain conditions from a lot of rocks and slashes. Scarification with the BRACKE T28 offers several planting sites for plants and seeds regardless of the type of soil. It is installed in medium or large prime movers. These rakes are strong enough to rake in fallen trees and have previously lifted stump and root residues into large windrows. The rolling activity leaves wood residues free of soil and ideal for clean burning or biofuel processing. For Production levels of 4 to 6 acres per hour are possible. The use of these powerful rotary rakes instead of the traditional dozer-mounted front push rake can be very cost-effective for large projects. The MERI RT600 is a peatland leveler and profiler fitted with a unique auger. The machine is best for clearing new bogs and preserving old ones. It can also be used for the development of agricultural fields on bog-based land. With screw levers, the processing areas can be optimally reshaped to keep the areas dry, even during rainy summers. The worked results may spread uniformly across the strip and be collected as a regular milled peat product. The BRAKE P11 provides successful scarification and planting on all soil types, from quickly worked and moist soil to stony fields filled by slashing. The operator can choose the planting site for each plant and even determine how it is shaped. Typically, the BRAKE P11 creates a mound of inverted humus, compacts it, and sets the soil in the mound center. Mounding is a favored method of planting in most soil types. Whatever the method of scarification, the operator can make allowances for naturally regenerating plants and ecological conditions, as well as for cultural aspects and relics. The 930B is powered by a 320 horsepower Cummins QSL9 Tier 4 diesel engine with SCR after treatment. The machine contains a high-capacity anti-clog radiator with a self-reversing fan. Unlike open-loop waste fuel systems, BARKO's hydraulic load sensing system automatically changes load-based connections capacity, resulting in improved reliability and efficiency. With pressure ratings of up to 5,000 psi, a high-flow hydraulic pump provides much more horsepower to the connection than competing equipment. The unique 45-degree joint resists intense stress and rugged terrain, while the unit's general maneuverable nature allows for operation in small spaces. The Model 1720 stump puller is built to pull stumps in a range of 7 to 23 inches in diameter, under various soil conditions. Its purpose is to remove the stump out enough so that the rotary rake can pick and tumble any stump into windrows that are free from soil and need to be burned or grind in the field optimally. The optimal drive speed of this beast is 3 to 4.5 miles per hour, which delivers at a rate of 3 to 4 acres per hour based on 10 feet. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.